Not sure how to use your York AC remote? Model number RG94A/BGEF. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your York AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press the silence button to minimize operating noise from the indoor unit. The fan speed is reduced, providing a quieter and more peaceful environment perfect for sleep or relaxation. Press the turbo button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the clock button to set the current time on your York AC remote. Setting the correct time ensures your scheduled operations run precisely when needed. Timer mode lets you schedule your AC to turn off automatically. Just set the hours, and your AC will cool or shut off exactly when you want. Press the Follow Me button to activate the temperature sensor inside the remote, allowing the air conditioner to adjust cooling or heating based on the temperature around the remote instead of the indoor unit. The Ion button activates the plasma cluster ion function, which releases positive and negative ions to purify the air. It helps reduce odors, bacteria, and allergens, providing cleaner and fresher air indoors. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your York AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.